guests, principals, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to say few words on the topic of importance of female education. Mr. President, education for girls is very important because they are also part of our society and they are also future of our country. Mr. Chairman, in the early times the girls were considered as a burden because they would have to be married off so that the girl's father could be released from the burden of taking care of their daughter. The girls did not have any identity of their own. They were always recognized as someone's daughter, someone's sister before marriage, as someone's wife, someone's mother after marriage. Mr. President, for this reason, the girls used to remain literate and depend on the men of the house for the financial works and for the decision taken inside the house. There were many girls who inspired to study, but their aspiration was suppressed by our family members. In some villages, the girls who know how to study and when they question about the wrongdoings of the people, those girls were clearly considering be two of it. The girls and education were concerned with two opposite terms. Mr. Chief Guest, but nowadays the scenario is different. The girls are now being educated. If they are being allowed to study, the girls are now sprint to do something more. Some girls wish to have a defined vocation in life. Some want to do their desired job so that they earn their desired salary and they get their desired identity. Mr. President, the poets once said, "Give me an educated mother, I will give you an educated nation." This statement is enough to improve the importance of female education. Allah has created both men and women equally. They were like the two sides of coin. One is incomplete without the other. Our religion has made education compulsory for all. Mr. President, when education is so necessary for women, more schools, colleges and universities should be open for them. But as all women do not need a type of education which is important to men. There are many who want to stay at home to them useful subjects such as nursing, domestic science and robotics should be taught. Mr. President, it is said if you educate a man, you educate the individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate the family. So education for girls cannot be neglected. Mr. President, in the last I would like to say that the girls' education is essential for the future of our country because women are the first teacher of their children. Uneducated women cannot contribute to family management and fail to take care of their children. Parents need to educate the girls about benefits and qualities of the education for the development of our country. We need to educate all the girls. Thank you.